Hey boo. So first you'll want to get you a nice size piece of pattern tracing paper, medical paper, anything that you can make a pattern with, okay? Now then just fold it in half like so. Then you want to grab your pattern piece that you're going to use to do a mashup, mashed potatoes. Ooh! Now you want to take your pattern piece and you want to fold it right down the center and you'll want to place it above the fold. You see how I have it right there? I had to measure my arm because I got some big arms, y'all, and I wanted a little bit of room to move around, and they are a little big. So measure your fullest part of your arm. Then you'll want to divide that by 2, and you'll want to add that difference to whatever your sleeve is currently. Okay, so since this is on the fold, I added 4 inches on one side, so that'll be an extra 8 inches. So then you'll take your cami or your top, the corner right there at the top where it would normally connect to your armhole, and you'll place that on top of the sleeve armhole, and then you will draw your new sleeve hole arm line. Okay, so next I moved my pattern sleeve all the way down to the fold so I can draw where the end of the sleeve is. Right there, you'll want to make a mark. So then after you make that mark at the bottom of the sleeve edge, you will just connect it to your armhole, the end of your armhole at the top. Okay, one thing I left out, don't forget to make your little notch marks in your armholes. So you'll know where to connect them when you sew. So then you want to come on back down here to the end of the armhole where you have these markings, and you'll want to get some wax tracing paper, something that will show, and a tracing wheel, and you'll want to trace those lines. And voila, you got some new lines on that new pattern piece, honey. Oh, you missed a piece, so flip it on over and get that little corner piece right there. Trace that on in there, sugar. Okay. Okay, so there's all the lines you just traced onto your pattern piece.